Morning, Gletus. You ready to go for a walk? Huh? You ready to get up and go for a walk? Huh? Oh, I'm just going to get cuteness this morning. I'm just getting cuteness this morning. No walking, huh? Say, come on. Come on, you ready to go for a walk? All right. Go down your stairs, old man. Go down your stairs. Here we go. All right. It's time to get up, Lola. You ready to go for a walk, huh? You ready to go for your walk? Okay. Okay, so we gotta get Lola's sweater on her this morning. You ready to put your sweater on, huh? You ready? No, you're not. You don't want to go for a walk? There's nothing in there, guys. Aunt Debbie's not here. Okay, you ready to go? You're tired of waiting on me, huh? You're tired of waiting on me? We've been like, let's go for like the last 15 minutes. All right, let's go. Go on. Go on. So Lola's ready. So is Cletus. Tired of waiting on me is what they are.